Hello guys, hello mga idol, magluto po tayo ng mga inasal. So ito po ang kakailanganing mga sangkap. Ayan, paminta, bawang, luya, magic syrup. Meron tayong atsuete powder, pampakulay, asin, ayan, Chinese wine, ayan ang pangalan, Shaoxing wine daw. At calamansi, soy sauce. Ito po yung ating drumstick. Ihalo lang lahat po ang mga sangkap. Ayan. Maglagay ng asin. Bahala na po kayong magtansya kung gaano po karami. Ayan po ang ating pampakulay at atsuete.
They're not renewing anything.
Oh,
This is just a flashback to when they got married.
okay. Soy sauce. Calamansi na may soy sauce or soy sauce na may calamansi. Toyo mansi ang tawag doon. There is our chicken. Mang inasal, ala mang inasal. So look. So we're gonna cook this for 4 minutes. Total of 8 minutes. It depends. Okay, let's cover this. Ayan po yung atsuete at saka po yung pampay. Very good. Yan na po ang ating mangnasal.